So welcome everybody. Thank you very much for your kind participation to our brain mapping course. We will talk about the pre-operative preparation of the patients and the intraoperative monitoring. How do you do it? And you will have the chance in the workshops to make your questions, whether if you are an expert using the methodologies or a beginner.
My name is Lorenzo Stanzani, I'm from Italy. I work now at San Gerardo Hospital in Monza, and I'm a neurologist and neurophysiologist too. Well, the impression of the pre-course was very good, while this one was more specific, more detailed, and so I appreciated it a lot, and also it gave me some point of reflections, above all about the possibility to use other techniques also in the pre-surgical phase, like TMS.
So as you see, we have a very varied participants. You can learn from us, but also with from each other, exchanging also during our pause, and we have some refreshments and something to eat for you.
I think our generation of neurosurgeons, we were taught and were trained, empowered by these techniques. These techniques allow us to have safer sections, allow us to interrogate the brain to a larger extent, so we can extend the resections in more eloquent areas, and these are changing the lives and the outcomes of our patients.